Finally, big breaking news is out. Direct assessment is out. If you see that this is the live assessment and you have to fill this form, after that you will see that this is associate software engineering 60-minute assessment. But after that, what is going on ki you have to just submit the test result. How you will get to see the test result? This is so complicated, guys. Don't attempt this. First of all, understand how to take the screenshot of the result of the assessment and how you will get to see the result, when you will get to see the result, on email. Yeah, after assessment the pop-up will come. So please watch video till end, because in this video there is 5 off campus hiring. But the critical thing is, this hiring is so complicated, but you have to understand each and every step. If you are not doing these steps, then you will never get to see the 60% marks, plus only 30 question is there, and 1 minute of each, I think 2 minutes of each question they are giving you. Means you have much time to do the cheating वगैरह. But there is one thing you have to keep in mind कि इतना easy नहीं होगा. So first of all, do one thing, do subscribe my channel, like this video, plus go and watch this TCS update. You can check that I just uploaded the TCS pattern change. After joining, there is the pattern you have to follow, but the pattern is very critical, and plus there is a very less time to complete the assessment. I already give you the each and every detail to tackle these situations. So please, this is very mandatory. And Cognizant 2 video I uploaded yesterday. If you have any query about Cognizant, you can check out these videos. So first of all, do subscribe my channel, like this video, and watch these videos, apply for these hirings. Now the hiring coming from True Firms Resources Hub Private Limited. Hiring assessment by this company, associate software engineer role is there. 60 minute of test duration, 30 question is there, 2 minutes for each question, 116 marks is there. You have to just pass the 60%. This is the passing marks. Now instructions, read each question carefully and choose the best answer. This is timed test. Once started, the timer can't be stopped, और ये one time assessment है. There is no resume. So total 30 question worth 116, and you can check. There is no negative marking. Attempt all question confidently. Do not use external resources, internet or AI tools, because this is proctored assessment. There is the working camera will be on, and once submitted, the assessment cannot be retaken. So this is one time assessment. But important and mandatory thing while attempting the assessment, please do not accidentally भी तुम्हें रिफ्रेश नहीं करना है पेज को, समझ रहे हो. एंड डोंट स्विच द टैब ड्यूरिंग द असेसमेंट. सपोज अगर मैंने स्विच किया टैब और रिफ्रेश किया, तो ये तुरंत बंद हो जाएगा, फिर तुम नहीं दे पाओगे. द असेसमेंट में ऑटो एंड इफ सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटीज डिटेक्टेड. सो यू हैव टू क्लिक इन दिस. आई हैव रीड अंडरस्टैंड में. बट यहाँ पे देखो, चीटिंग कर सकते हो, बट किसी और मोबाइल पे, और थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेश और टैब को चेंज मत करना. बाकी you can do the cheating वगैरह. But you have to click on continue. After continue, they will check the system compatibility. After everything is ready, you can click on continue. You have to give your name, address and email. ठीक है, इसको क्लिक करने के बाद सीधा लाइव असेसमेंट चालू हो जाएगा. द असेसमेंट इज़ लाइव. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द असेसमेंट, ये तुरंत बता देगा यू पास्ड और फेल्ड. आफ्टर सबमिटिंग द असेसमेंट मीन्स आफ्टर ऑल 30 question you attempt and clicking on submit the assessment. After submitting the assessment, the pop-up will come just like Accenture. Pop-up will come after the foundation, that you clear the foundation section, then you will redirect to the advanced. Just like that, after submitting the assessment, the pop-up will come and tell you the score. For that score, you have to just take the screenshot of the pop-up that you pass or fail. After pass हो गए तभी तुम्हें screenshot लेना है. So after taking the screenshot of the marks that you cleared the assessment, after you have to fill this form with the exact email ID in which you applied in this. ठीक है, and give your name, contact name, email as same as this. Plus you have to take this, give your updated resume for the resume, and you have to give the assessment test result. ठीक है, take the screenshot. After completing the assessment, there will be the submit button. You have to click on submit to assessment. After that, there will be the pop-up will come that you pass or fail. If you pass the assessment, there will be the written that you pass the 60% or 70%, whatever score you achieve. You have to take the screenshot. After that, you have to fill the form and attach the screenshot in this add file. Plus give your updated resume, because associate software engineer role is there, then you know what to put in resume. If you know full stack development, then you can easily hit the apply button. And what is the associate means? Associate means a fresher level of opportunity. This is the first stage of the software engineering. So what you have to do, just keep in mind कि contact name, email as same as this detail. योर नेम एंड ईमेल एड्रेस. अगर ईमेल मिसमैच हुआ, नंबर मिसमैच हुआ, तो ये फॉर्म वैलिड नहीं कहलाएगा. सो दिस इज़ द क्रिटिकल फॉर्म. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू टू वॉच फुल वीडियो. सो दिस इज़ द स्टेप यू हैव टू फॉलो गाइज, एंड प्लीज सबमिट इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. दिस इज़ द लाइव असेसमेंट. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, दिस इज़ अ ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम PwC, बट यहाँ पे दो चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है, डेटा एनालिस्ट रोल इज़ देयर but it's taking time to reload. So you can check associate again. Why associate means obviously so fresher level of role is there. Bangalore location technology pure tech role है, that means it means a bachelor degree in computer science, IT, software engineering, data analytics, data engineering is compulsory, plus cloud computing, software engineering is also preferred. So if you see that minimum experience 2 year of experience is needed, but you can apply if you are a fresher. Why? Because there is written 2 to 4 year of experience, but if you are a fresher you can try to apply, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एसोसिएट लिखा है जो कि मतलब ही इसका फ्रेशर होता है. सो आई थिंक ये लोगों ने मेंशन नहीं किया है, बट यू हैव टू पुट दीज डोमेन इन रेज्यूमे इफ़ यू हैव नॉलेज. प्लस BTech, ME, MTech, MBA, BCA, MCA इज रिक्वायर्ड, प्लस पावर प्लेटफॉर्म लिखा है, नॉट पावर पॉइंट. पाइथन इज कंपलसरी, ETL प्रिंसिपल पाइपलाइंस इज कंपलसरी. इंटरपर्सनल स्किल यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट टू सी डेटा मॉडलिंग एंड SQL सर्वर. इवन एज अ फ्रेशर यू कैन ट्राई, मैं कह रहा हूँ ट्राई कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें, क्योंकि एसोसिएट का मतलब फ्रेशर होता है. बट यहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं किया गया है कि फ्रेशर एलिजिबल है कि नहीं. डायरेक्टली 2 to 5 year ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इज रिटर्न, बट यू कैन ईजिली ट्राई टू अप्लाई. एटलीस्ट ट्राई तो बनता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि एसोसिएट इज रिटर्न देयर. यू कैन ईजिली ट्राई टू अप्लाई. एंड व्हाट बैचेस इज एलिजिबल एज अ फ्रेशर इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई, देन 25, 24, 23 कैन अप्लाई. बेंगलोर लोकेशन इज देयर, हिट द अप्लाई बटन. Moving forward, biggest referral opportunity, merit short and now the backend in development internship. Now internship is there, obviously fresher is eligible, immediate joining preferred. Backend development plus remote hiring is this. 6 day working है. Fresher graduate is eligible and final year BTech, BCA, MCA, BSc, BE, MTech. Now what final year means 26 batches eligible only. DSI algorithm, Node.js, Python, HTTP हो गया, RESTful API, SQL. See, this is the combination of full stack development. First is backend technology, any programming, and RESTful API and database. There is one thing missing, that front end. If you are putting front end as a full stack developer, you are showcasing your skill in resume, then definitely they will consider you, क्योंकि एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ तुम फ्रंट एंड डाल रहे हो, बल्कि बैक एंड मांग रखी है, बट फ्रंट एंड एक्स्ट्रा दे रहे हो ना. So there will be the extra benefit always. So you have to put these enterprise skill in resume and give your updated resume on this referral email ID. Put backend development / resume / application in subject line. That's it. You have to just put your resume, apply it as soon as possible. This is the mega opportunity for you, and this is the direct referral hiring. So please don't skip a single second. Hit the apply button. This is the remote hiring, and hybrid option is available. Maybe they will give you the remote because remote तो available है, तो अगर हो गया तो और भी better है. Now moving forward, if you see that a page is not working, but we have to just refresh the page. Harman announced the biggest hiring, guys. This is the Harman opportunity, and this is the big breaking news that associate engineer, again associate is written means only fresher is eligible. Whenever you see associate keyword, then it means fresher is eligible. अब यहाँ पे नीचे कुछ और दे दिया गया तो वो अलग बात है, बट C++ इज़ कंपलसरी. एंड इफ़ यू स्क्रॉल डाउन अगेन देख सकते हो 1 to 3 ईयर, ठीक है, यहाँ पे 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस मांग रखा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. एम्बेडेड सिस्टम C++ हो गया, डीबगिंग, लिनक्स, कंप्यूटर साइंस, IT, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, BE, BTech इज़ एलिजिबल. एंड इफ़ यू हैविंग एनी इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस और प्रोजेक्ट, आई थिंक यहाँ पे देख सकते हो क्या लिखा हुआ है, ध्यान से देखना. Why I told you that associate is the keyword, it means a fresher is eligible. If you scroll down, there is the option, guys. Sorry for that, I did not watched. तो यहाँ पे ध्यान देना कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल BE, BTech, ME, MTech, computer science, IT, software engineering is compulsory, plus 1 to 3 year of relevant industry experience अगर किसी के पास है, this is the first option. Second is strong internship. Third one is project experience. So there is written, or it means there is option as a fresher up to 3 year of experience is needed. So you have to put all interpersonal skill, and whatever you are seeing that in the text, black text, dark में जो कुछ भी लिखा है, put in resume as soon as possible and hit the apply button because fresher is eligible. So this is the permanent Bangalore location is there, and hit the apply button, guys. This is the breaking news. Don't skip a single second, hit the apply button. But you have to keep in mind, merit is short, biggest referral opportunity, PwC for experienced. Even as a fresher you can try, but believe me, जो स्टेप बताया एक बार क्या करो, जल्दबाजी मत करो, जाके फिर से सुनो. मैंने what I told you, again listen carefully what steps I told you to submit the application, submit the test and submit this form, ठीक है, because test result assessment you have to submit, which is very mandatory with updated resume. So this is the breaking news you will never see in any YouTube channel this type of hiring. So please go and hit the apply button. Please do subscribe my channel, like this video, and please guys support me and join WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Thanks for watching.